In this quick demo, I'll highlight how Fulcrum can help automate the process of sending alerts and extracting important information from a Fulcrum record to help generate a text message. Specifically, we'll see how a field technician can leverage Fulcrum Mobile to help identify an asset for inspection and review. And we'll see how, if the asset is not inventoried, how to reach out to an asset manager, notifying them of the missing asset so they can record it without error. Please keep in mind that this workflow just exemplifies a text message. However, Fulcrum can integrate with EAM, Service Desk, or even email to help extract and automatically parse data into other systems, alleviating the time necessary for manual data entry. Let's jump over to Fulcrum Mobile and see how we can leverage a Fulcrum app to collect survey and asset information. Here within the Asset and Survey Data Collection Fulcrum app, we'll go through the normal process of collecting a field asset so we can conduct an inspection. Let's go to the bottom right hand corner of a quick access bar where we'll see the Record Plus button. This will bring up a Fulcrum form to begin collecting important details about the survey and the inspection. This form can be easily modified and configured using Fulcrum's App Designer. So if at any point additional fields need to be added or say we need to remove those fields, Fulcrum's App Designer provides that flexibility. Now in the Fulcrum form, we can see pertinent details. And at the very bottom in the sections, specifically for the asset info, we can select the specific asset that we need to auto-populate into the applicable Fulcrum fields, such as serial number, asset name, model number, and manufacturer. Okay, so we see a field here that says, are you unable to find an existing asset to select? If we were to select yes, there will be a visibility rule set up where additional fields will show up on our screen. And the reason why this is important is because sometimes we don't necessarily have the asset that is inventoried for us to select. Therefore, what we can do is we can have visibility rules to have additional fields appear on our screen that we need to fill out, such as the missing serial number, the asset name, the model number, and the manufacturer. Currently on my screen, I'm utilizing an audio fast fill capability that was recently released to Fulcrum. It can be leveraged within the centers of our quick access bar, and it utilizes my transcript to automatically parse the text into the applicable fields. And here we'll see that happen. The blue highlights of those fields represent the changes done utilizing the audio fast fill capability, and this really streamlines the process for data collection. Now, with these fields filled out, if I went ahead and clicked on please contact the asset manager, it will actually extract the text from those fields and help us with predicating exactly what the message will say, the text message will say in our details. So by sending this text message to the asset manager, they'll be notified of the missing asset so that they can validate that the field technician is entering the pertinent details correctly about the asset itself. Great, so now the text message has been sent. What I'm going to do is I'm going to return back to Fulcrum and save the Fulcrum record in the top right hand corner. And this will then allow us to return back to the text message where we'll have that URL at the very bottom. That's a launch action. That will take us directly back into that record that we were just working on. So the asset manager can actually launch back into Fulcrum and review the work and make those modifications if necessary. Great. So throughout this demonstration, we quickly highlighted how Fulcrum can provide a process that helps validate and QCs the data being collected on assets. Furthermore, Fulcrum provides a communication step universally used by many with their handheld devices, specifically text messaging. And lastly, Fulcrum gives the added flexibility for asset managers to more easily return back to the record being collected by the field technician and make modifications. I hope you found this demonstration helpful in the many ways it can help your organization with inspections and field data collection. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us through our webpage at www.fulcrumapp.com/contact-us. Thank you.